How to log out from your Character AI account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log out from your Character AI account. In order to do so, first of all, open your Character AI application on your mobile device and ensure that you are logged into your account. If not, use your credentials in order to log into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this homepage. In this homepage, at the top right, you'll be able to see the profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon and then in this page, tap on the settings icon at the top right. Once you tap on the settings, now you will be taken to this page. In this page, you will need to scroll down and at the very bottom, between these two options, you'll be able to locate sign out option. Simply tap on the sign out option and then you will see you have been successfully logged out from your Character AI account. In the future, if you want to log in back to your account, you can continue with Apple ID, Google ID or email, whatever you have used to sign up to your account. So by following these steps, you should be able to log out from your Character AI account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.